The sea of eternal energy is the cycle of universal wholeness and is the evolutionary combination of opposite attractions coming together. Forming a unified partnership, each and every force has an opposite force, which is the reflection of all action and cause. The thought of love and peace will reflect love and peace, whereas the thought of anger and pain will reflect these negative energies. The energies projected will travel the course of the cycle, eventually returning to the source as with life itself.
The point of fact is that everything, when you get down to one particle of mass, everything's nonlinear, and everything generates phase conjugation or time reverse waves. It's called Newton's third law, by the way, the generation of the reaction force, equal and opposite. Now, if you really believe that there really is an equal and opposite force for every force that's generated, then its opposite is also generated. And so everywhere you look, for every process, there will exist an equal and opposite process. And as you look at the universe, indeed, that's what you find. The beauty about the Whittaker work is that now, by combining what we found out in pumped phase conjugate mirrors, and that is a way to amplify the phase conjugate wave, take the normal energy, turn it into the beautiful stuff that restores order instead of going into more and more disorder, we can put into this magic thing disorder, and we can get out perfect order. We can convert it into its own opposite. It's called a pumped phase conjugate mirror. By doing that and amplifying the time reversed wave, amplifying the order, if you will, we open up a totally new physics. For example, the concept of energy is, in everybody's mind, the assumption that you take the energy, you bring it into something, you do work, which is scatter it, and that's called heat. And now if we have a process that can take that scattered energy, and it's a very passive type thing, and use it to cause itself to reorder, we can use the same energy over again. And it says now that is absolutely permissible, whereas before that's never been permissible before at all. And so what we've really done is we have a new model of physics. And we can do some things in this new physics that just can't be done before.